I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Once done, focus on power delivery. First, confirm the cable is seated and the outlet works, and try a different plug or surge strip. Next, unplug controllers, USB drives, and HDMI to prevent peripheral shorts. Then perform a proper power cycle. Press and hold the front power button for 10 seconds until the console fully powers off, wait a full 60 seconds, and plug back in so the internal capacitors discharge. Once the console is isolated, attempt to boot with only the power cable attached. Observe LED color and any beeps because they indicate boot stages. If it still shuts off, prepare a recovery USB. Use a computer to place the console recovery file on a FAT32 USB stick, then start the console in recovery mode to force firmware repair. Also make sure to test another TV or HDMI cable to rule out handshake problems that can cause power cycling. You're near the finish. Check airflow and external vents for heavy dust and use short bursts of compressed air to clear blockages. Do not open sealed components if under warranty. If the console still turns off, gather error patterns, LED behavior, and steps you followed, then contact Microsoft support or your retailer. Once done, they can confirm warranty repair or replacement. If out of warranty, plan authorized repair for a failing power module or intermittent motherboard/thermal fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.